Welcome to the social science classroom. Today we are going to discuss human environment and interactions in the tropical and the subtropical region. Renugo was excited to see her uncle Shikon, who returned home after a long gap of home. He was a wildlife photographer and traveled extensively, introduced her to books on nature, picture of the distant land and people who lived there always fascinated her. Renego observed and said they looked different from her. Our uncle explained that they share the same basic needs of life: food, clothing, and shelter. He was added that they live close to nature and they have learned to care for nature. Life in the Amazon basin. We are going to learn about the Amazon basin. The tropical region lies very close to the equator, between 10 degree north and 10 degree south. It is referred to as the equatorial region. Do you know when Spanish explorers discovered the Amazon River, they were attacked by a group of local tribes wearing headgears and grass skirts. These people reminded them of the fierce tribes of women, warriors known in ancient Roman Empire as the Amazon, hence name Amazon. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. Shade tolerant vegetation grow here, orchid and bromeliads grow as plant parasites. Birds such as toucans, hummingbirds, birds of paradise with the brilliantly colored plumage are seen here. Animals like monkey, sloth, and ant-eating tabacs are found here. Various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in these jungles. Various species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha fish, is also found here. People of the rainforest occupation. People grow most of their food in small areas after the clearing of some trees in the forest. Men hunt and fish. Women take care of the crops. They mainly grow tobacco, pineapple, and sweet potato. They practice slash and burn agriculture, and cash crops like coffee, maize, and cocoa are also grown here. Houses. Forests provide a lot of wood for the houses. Families live in the thatched houses shaped like beehives. There are other large apartment like houses called malaco, a steep slanting roofs. Transportation. Life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing. In the older days, the heart of the Far East could be reached only by navigating the river. 1970, Trans-Amazon Highway, all parts of the forest accessible, aircrafts and helicopter also used. The indigenous population, they were forced to settle in new areas where they continued to practice their distinctive way of farming. Depletion of the rainforest, the developmental activities are leading to a gradual destruction of the biological diverse rainforest. Large areas of the rainforest has been disappearing annually. The destruction of forest has much a wider implication. The topsoil is washed away as the rainfall and the lush forest turns into the barren landscape. Let's exercise. What is the type of climate of the Amazon basin? The Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both the day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day, the two without much warning. The day temperature are high with very high humidity. At night, the temperature goes down, but the humidity remains high. Amazon basin is extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found here discussed. The rainforest is rich in fauna. Birds such as trogons, hummingbirds, bird of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage. Oversized bills for eating make them different from birds we commonly see in India. These birds also make loud sounds in the forest. Animals like monkeys, sloth, and ant-eating tapirs are found here. Various species of reptiles and snakes also thrive in this jungle. Crocodiles, snakes, pythons, anaconda, and boa constrictor are all some of these species. Besides, this basin is home to thousands of species of insects, several species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha. Fish is also found in this river. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found there. What do the people of the Amazon rainforest do? The people grow most of their food in small areas after clearing some trees in the forest, while men hunt and fish along the rivers. Women take care of the crops. They mainly grow tobacco, pineapple, and sweet potato. As hunting and fishing are uncertain, it is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetables that they grow. They practice slash bone agriculture. What kind of natural vegetation is found in the Amazon basin? As it rains heavily in this region, thick forests grow. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shades tolerant vegetation may grow here. Orchids, bromeliads, and plant parasites. Why rainforests are depleting? The developmental activities are leading to the gradual destruction of the biological diverse rainforest. It is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually in Amazon basin. As a result of this destruction, the topsoil is washed away as the rains fall and the lush forest turns into the barren landscape. Thank you for watching and learning.